How do you think organizations can effectively handle conflicts that arise between team members?
I entirely agree that managing conflicts effectively is crucial for the smooth functioning of any organization. When differences exist and a fundamental disagreement arises, it's important to nip the issue in the bud before it escalates into a bitter dispute or a heated argument. I see your point that open communication and mediation are key. Organizations can facilitate structured dialogues where team members can air their grievances and work towards reaching a compromise. This approach not only helps settle their differences but also fosters a culture of mutual respect and understanding.
To what extent is it possible to achieve unanimous agreement in a diverse workplace?
I tend to agree that achieving unanimous agreement in a diverse workplace is a tall order. Given that employees come from various backgrounds and hold different perspectives, a complete consensus on every issue is improbable. However, I appreciate your point of view that striving for a common ground is still valuable. Encouraging a culture where employees feel comfortable expressing their opinions can lead to innovative solutions. While total agreement may not be feasible, aiming for a broad consensus can still ensure that most voices are heard and respected.
What role does negotiation play in resolving workplace conflicts?
I share your opinion that negotiation plays a pivotal role in resolving workplace conflicts. When conflicts of opinion rage and a head-on clash occurs, entering into an argument is rarely productive. Instead, I go along with your view that negotiation allows both parties to discuss their issues in a controlled manner. Through negotiation, employees can settle their pay disputes and other conflicts by finding a middle ground. This process not only helps to settle our differences but also promotes a cooperative and harmonious work environment.
How should companies address fundamental disagreements between management and staff?
I entirely agree that addressing fundamental disagreements between management and staff requires a strategic approach. These disagreements, if not managed properly, can lead to a head-on clash and create long-term issues within the organization. I see your point that fostering an open dialogue is essential. Management should be willing to listen to the staff's concerns and work collaboratively towards a solution. Sometimes, it might be necessary to agree to differ and respect each other's positions. However, the ultimate goal should be to come to a resolution that aligns with the company's objectives and satisfies both parties to the extent possible. Thank you for watching. Please give us like, share, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos. Bye.